Here's the Hood River rest area. Taking a quick break. Have the bikes loaded up, and we're on our way, heading towards Baker City at the moment. I'm just trying out a brand new camera mount here. It actually attaches to the strap on my Camelback. Thought maybe give it a little different view, you know? Change it up a little bit. So adjust the camera there a little bit. So hopefully this works out okay. I don't know how the audio is going to work either, by the way. I'm just talking and then wearing a half shell. And got the camera not too far from my face. We're just talking. Today's Wednesday, July 29th, 2020. And beautiful day out for a ride. Got my son with me. And this is my birthday present. I'm turning 44 years old today. outside of an Aurora Springs Indian reservation and see if we can't find a campground for the night. Hopefully, sky stays like this. It's beautiful. Last time we camped, it was a great night, super warm and all that, but man, it was cloudy and no stars at all. A couple raindrops. Nothing